Hi guys. Let's see how to secure your computer with Windows Hello. Windows Hello is the biometric security system available in Windows 10. It can scan your face, iris, or fingerprint to log into Windows 10. First, select the Windows icon, then select the gear to open your Windows settings. Select Accounts. Select Sign-in options. There you can see several sign-in options. Some computers will not compatible using this, like my PC, but most of the computers will work. In Windows Hello, Face It identify the face and unlock the computer. This works as face recognition tool. In Windows Hello, Fingerprint It identify the fingerprint to unlock your PC. In Windows Hello PIN you can set up a PIN to unlock the computer. In here I already set up a PIN, so it gives the option to change it. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.